Hey there, Reba Haas of Team Reba, Remax Metro Eastside, co-host of American Dream TV Seattle Edition, and the co-host of the podcast Open House of Team Reba. The biggest season of homes coming on market is coming up. It's actually starting right now. But let's say you're one of those people who you want to get a new house, but most of your equity is tied up in the house you live in right now. It's pretty rare to find what's called a bridge loan. A lot of the banks are being very particular and also very risk averse. And so only really lenders who can do a lot of portfolio lending, which means they keep the loans in-house, they don't sell them out on the secondary market, because the best houses still sell the fastest. Here's the issue for people who are already in a house, already own a house, all their equity's tied up in the house. It's hard to compete when you're a contingent sale. So in this scenario, I'm going to recommend this particular lender because he may have a really great solution. And that's what we're all here to be, is solution providers. So if you are in that same position where you've got a lot of equity tied up in a house, but you're ready for the next thing, again, I've got more people who can use these types of products. And if it is something that you think might be a good solution for you, please DM me. I would love, love, love to connect you with this lender and have an opportunity to help you with selling your home and buying your next one. Have a great day, everyone. Be powerful.